How to fix network error in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and such type of message you will see the requested address is not valid in its context. Basically it is a network error, and to fix this issue the first workaround is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute these two command: ip configuration flush dns and ip configuration renew. Execute this command one by one, followed by enter key on each times. Once executed the command, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your network error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search, type cp and open control panel. Here, go to view by large icon and choose internet options. Here, go to connection tabs, go to LAN settings, and here make the check against option automatically detect settings and uncheck the option proxy server and click on OK button. The next method to fix this issue is right click on start button, choose run command box, and in run command box type ncpa.cpl. It will open your network connections. Go to your Ethernet connection, right click on it, choose properties and make the check against option IPv TCP4 and uncheck the option Internet Protocol version 6 TCP6. Make unchecks and TCP4 enable and press OK. Next method is again launch command prompt Windows as administrator mode and execute network reset command NETSH INT IP reset and paste it into command prompt Windows and press enter. It will reset to your IP address and check whether, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not.